Hello everyone. So, I had a baby shower to do favors for. I decided to do these cute paper cup booties. Don't worry about that diaper, it didn't turn out right. So, here are the materials. You will need paper cups. Now, paper cups, not plastic cups. These are the two kinds that my Dollar Tree had in at the time. The short ones that are really like for, I believe they are snack cups. You need some ribbon and then some embellishments if you want to put them on. And of course, you're going to need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the smaller cups. When you hold your paper cup, you'll notice there's a seam down one side of the cup. So what you're going to do, you're going to work opposite of that seam. Exact opposite of that seam is where you'll start making your cuts. So okay, once you identify the seam, you're going to be cutting on the side opposite of the seam. So I'm going to lay my crafting knife down so you can see what I'm talking about. So my crafting knife is using the seam as a placement. I place it across the top. So I'm going to make a slit, a cut on each side. So I'm going to cut down and diagonal toward the bottom of the cup. I did not measure. You'll see what I'm doing. You really don't have to measure. Now you'll make another cut. So if it was a seam on that side, the seam would be between those two cuts, if that makes sense. So you're going to cut toward the bottom of the cup, not all the way to the bottom, maybe a quarter of an inch before the bottom of the cup. You're going to push that down, and that's the tongue. And you're going to use the hole punch, which I did not show you, and it is one of the materials you will need. I made 3 holes on each side. Once I made the holes on each side, the only thing we have left to do is to lace up our booties. You lace the booties just as if you were lacing your own shoes. I used the ribbon from the Dollar Tree. You could use a shoelace, you can use string, you can use yarn, you can use thicker ribbon. It's up to you. Once you get the shoe laced up to the top lace, you're gonna take the ribbon or whatever you use to lace it up, and you're gonna tighten it up all the way up into that third hole. Once you get to that third hole, you're gonna make a tie and pull it tight so that the top pieces meet. To jazz up my booty, I found these baby shower favors in the Dollar Tree. They were located in the party section. By the way, that's where I got the paper cups from, the party section. I decided to add them at the top of my laces. All I did was add them once I tied the lace at the top. I put the party favor on, then tied the bow. The other pack of cups that I got were absolutely too tall, so I had to cut them in order to make the booties. All I did was use a plastic container that I had the party favors in as my guide because it was approximately the same height I wanted. I laid my crafting knife on top of the bowl, punctured a hole in the cup with the crafting knife, and then I just rotated the cup around the knife instead of trying to cut around the cup. Now, you can also just use scissors to cut down, then cut around the cup, but of course I had to do this way. Once I did that, I just took my scissors and evened it up because of course I did not get it straight. After that, the directions are the exact same. You make it the same way you did the other one. I chose to put ribbon on the top of mine to cover up the cut edge. You can decorate your booty any way you see fit. I was just giving you the directions to make the booty. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning. If you're new, please take the time to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload new and exciting content. I definitely appreciate you. And if you have any suggestions for the channel, please leave them in the comments. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Happy holidays, 2022.